Okay, so this is the Halloween decorations. It's not a lot right now. It's not going to be a whole lot. I'm trying to give you a view, but I don't have the vortex going at the moment because I got to make this fairly quick. This is the graveyard. And of course we have our creepy Halloween sign that bleeds. And then of course when you do, you're going to come around to the tunnel. And of course inside the tunnel, it's got all these other things going on. Don't forget to have the dog that will come out at you. As you're walking through, this is what you see. And there's our skeleton who was enjoying a monster when he died. And then off to the left, we have our pirate in his little rowboat trying to get through.